Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the light frame in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flat blade and Phillips screwdrivers and a heat gun. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new light frame. The light frame supports the lights and the control board. A refrigerator door left open for a long time or a shorted out door switch are the main reasons for the light frame replacement. Usually, if the frame is melted, the light lens is also damaged and should be replaced together with the frame. The part number for the lens is 3110JA1096A as in boy. You can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To get to the part, we need to open the refrigerator door. Insert the flathead screwdriver into the openings in the front of the lens, press the locking tabs and pull down on the lens to remove it. Unscrew the light bulbs, turning them counterclockwise. Remove the top shelves. Next, we need to remove the two screws that hold the light frame. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take the screws out. Drop the front down and pull the rear tabs out. Press the locking tabs and disconnect the two wire plugs. Bring the frame assembly to the workable place. Push in the tabs, leave the heat shield up, and slide it out of the two rear retainers. Now it's a little tricky part. Using the heat gun, heat up the touchpad surface without melting it. Quickly start peeling the touchpad off the frame using the flathead screwdriver. Don't break it or here goes your ice cream money. Take out 3 Phillips screws. Carefully remove the display control board together with its frame. This is the old light frame next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Insert the display board assembly into the new light frame and push it in to lock. Secure it with the 3 Phillips screws. Install the heat shield under the rear retainers and press down to lock the tabs. Bring the assembly to the fridge. Reconnect the 2 wire plugs. Insert the rear tabs into the cutouts, lift the frame up, and secure the light frame with the 2 Phillips screws. Now we need to carefully glue on the touchpad. Take your time and make it look pretty. If you manage to screw up the touchpad, the replacement number for it is 3110JA1096A as in apple. Install the shelves. Install the light bulbs by turning it clockwise. Install the light lens with the 2 rear tabs into the cutouts and press it up to lock. Now we're done. You can close the door and plug the refrigerator in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, Please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.